Hi, welcome to the AllCasesHere. In this video we are going to talk about the top 6 best iPhone 14 cases 2022 you can buy on Amazon. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more videos. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on quality, features and pricing. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. You've chosen the iPhone 14 after Apple released the newest iPhones. You'll adore the fantastic new features, including the improved cameras, new security features, 5G, fantastic battery life, and new durability features. However, if you get one of these excellent cases for your iPhone, you can extend its lifespan. I have prepared this video guide for the best iPhone 14 cases, so let's get started. 6. ESR Clear Case with Halo Lock. A premium metal kickstand is included with the ESR Clear Case for the iPhone 14. As a result, you may position your iPhone between 0 and 85 degrees at the optimal angle. Place and go wireless charging is possible because to the MagSafe compatibility. With air guard corners, your iPhone will be shielded from drops and bumps. It includes a tough acrylic back that resists scratches and never turns yellow to keep your case looking brand new and showcasing the true elegance of your iPhone for longer. Raised screen borders protect the camera bump from the surface. The exact cutouts never interfere with charging. 5. iBlason Rugged Clear. For those who don't mind the extra bulk and want to keep their iPhone in mint condition, there is the iBlason Aries robust bumper cover. Additionally, it has a built-in screen protector. While this case significantly increases the size of your iPhone, it offers 360-degree protection and comes in a variety of colors. Additionally, it boasts realistic cuts, tactile buttons, and wireless charging capability. The screen protector on this iPhone 14 case prevents scuffs and breaks without reducing touch sensitivity. The iPhone 14 case offers additional protection by having raised camera and screen bezels. 4. Toros Shockproof. The Toros Small Protective Case is the best option if protection is your top priority. The camera features bumper edges and a translucent back, and it offers 10-foot military-grade drop protection. It offers outstanding protection without sacrificing the in-hand feel. It is compact and secure in the hand. MagSafe magnets built into the casing can also support quick wireless charging. Both matte black and matte blue are available for the case. 3. Spigen Mag Armor. Mag Fitted is difficult to find items with all the necessary protection protocols and a wealth of features. The Spigen Mag Armor, Mag Fit, is unique, though. The case has a weight of 32.8 grams, or about 1 by 15 ounce. It has magnet-integrated shock absorption and is composed of TPU. The display is protected against drops and other harm by raised lips and an air cushion on the side. Due to the case's magnetic ring, you may still use MagSafe charging. Additionally, it has sturdy feedback buttons that are simple to push and keep the iPhone 14's tactile sensation. It comes in navy blue and matte black. 2. WOG Civilian Sleek Ultra Thin. The Hyper Cush Impact Protection System in the Civilian Series protective cases is designed to dampen and spread the energy produced when a mobile device strikes another surface. To put it simply, it protects your priceless phone when it escapes your grasp. The 2 shock-absorbing polymers in our lab-tested, patent-pending design are layered in a dynamic hexagon pattern. For the modern nomad looking for covert protection, Civilian is a sleek, durable phone case. 1. Spigen Ultra Hybrid, Mag Fit. With a transparent case like this one, you can flaunt your lovely new iPhone 14. The case is MagSafe compatible if it has the MagSafe ring, which is available in several different colors. Spigen offers inexpensive, high-quality iPhone 14 transparent cases. A non-distorted MagSafe connection is provided via the inbuilt magnetic ring. Shock and unintentional drops are absorbed by the mill-grade drop protection and air cushion technology. The higher bezels around the camera module and screen also provide surface scratch protection. Additionally, pushing the textured buttons provides dependable feedback. The cases mentioned in video were some of the best for the recently released iPhone 14. Please post any further case recommendations in the comments section. So guys, this was the video about the best iPhone 14 cases 2022. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.